Hi there. It is time for you to listen carefully. In this episode, we plan to do a complete refurbish of the engine starter. God damn it. Stallone is calling.
This one will not turn out like brand new. I'm gonna shoot you all motherfuckers.
Fuck off.
We're gonna start the operation by removing the solenoid screws. Oh shit, the phone went down. After getting my phone back, it's time to get back to work, removing all the remaining screws. Afterwards, I took care of the screws from bottom of the starter. Last step was to remove the bolt from the solenoid. And that was it, fully opened. One more step to have the rotor out, as my main purpose was to clean the electrical contacts. For this operation, I used brake cleaner, and the result was just great. Putting all the parts together is a really simple process, so let me play you some music.
My boy's got a car, it's an old clunker. He's working on it, but it's just a stunner. He's got no clue, but he's got the tools. He's like a surgeon, but he's just a fool. He's got a wrench and a hammer too. He's trying to fix it, but it's nothing new. He's like a chef, but he's got no stills. He's like a painter, but he's got no frills. He's got a beat-up engine, it's all worn out. He's got a broken down car, it's all sprouts. He's like a bomber, but he's got no gloves. He's like a bird, but he's got no love.